Hey you guys, it's Affiliate.Watch and I'm super excited in this video to be going over the 14 best AI affiliate programs. And if you don't know what Affiliate.Watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs in the world and it's completely for free. In today's video, we're going to be going over the 14 best AI affiliate programs, and I will leave links down in the description for you to join and start making money right away. The first one we're going to go over is Reclaim AI, which is AI scheduling for work software, and it pays 25% recurring commission and 25 cents each sign up you get. And it's on the PartnerStack affiliate network, and it pays out via PayPal, Stripe, and wire transfer. Second one we're going to be going over is Pictory, and it's an easy video creator for content marketers. It's AI video creation, and it pays 20% to 50% recurring commission. Plus it's two-tier, which means if you refer affiliates and they refer users, you'll get commission off their commissions. And it's an independent affiliate program, which means you do not need to sign up to any affiliate network. You can join directly with them, and it pays out via PayPal and wire transfer. The third one we're going to be going over is Writer, which is a free AI writer, and it's great for content writing, and I've personally used it myself a couple times. And they pay 30% reoccurring commission. It's an independent affiliate program. You can sign up directly with them, and it pays out via PayPal. The next one we're going to be going over is Looka, which is an AI logo software to help you create logo and branding material for your business. And it pays up to $30 per sale. It's on the PartnerStack affiliate network, and it pays out via PayPal, Stripe, and wire transfer. And then there's Leonardo AI, which is probably the best AI art generator out there. And it pays 25% commission for 6 months, and they pay out via PayPal, and it's an independent affiliate program. And then there's Imagine AI Art, which is similar to Leonardo and also great, and it's a free AI image generator, and they also have paid plans, and that pays 15 to 35% commission. It's an independent affiliate program, and it pays out PayPal, Payoneer, ACH, and wire transfer. And then there's Taylor Brands, which is similar to Looka. It's a competitor to Looka, and it helps you create your brand and logo very easily using AI. And their commission structure is very high ticket. It's up to $500 per sale. And it's an independent affiliate program, and it pays out via wire transfer and ACH. And then there's Synthesia, which is an AI video generator platform, and it pays 20% commission for 1 year, and it pays out via PayPal. And then there's Jasper, which is AI for enterprise marketing teams. It's an independent affiliate program. You can sign up directly with them, and it pays out via PayPal, 25 to 30% commission for 1 year. And then there's La AI, which is a vocal remover and music source separation service, and it pays 30% commission. It's an independent affiliate program, and it pays out via PayPal. And then there's Podcastle, which is an all-in-one AI podcast software. It pays 20% commission for the first year, and it's an independent program, and it pays out via PayPal and ACH. And then there's Phrase, which pays 30% recurring commission, and it's an SEO content optimization tool, an AI writer, and it pays out via PayPal, and it's an independent affiliate program. And then there's Descript, which is an all-in-one video and podcasting editing software, and it pays out PayPal, Stripe, wire transfer, and it pays 15% recurring commission, and it's on the PartnerStack affiliate network. And then there's HeyGen, which is an AI video generator. It pays out 25% recurring commission. It's an independent affiliate program, and it pays out PayPal. And those are the best 14 AI affiliate programs you can join right now. And if you want to find more AI affiliate programs, I'll leave a link in the pinned comment to go to this page, which has many AI affiliate programs, and we're updating it daily, and we're going to try to build the biggest AI affiliate program list in the world. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to check out Affiliate.Watch, and you can sign up and you can start getting promoted on the website and being seen by companies and getting more offers. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you.